Well, that's the village. Almost done. You can see the pub over there. Bits and pieces on the station. The shop. And the blacksmith shop. And complete with his blacksmith. That's his anvil. Hope it comes out. The light's not all that good. And of course, every station must have a pub. And there's a lady there waiting for her boyfriend to come out with some more eats or a drink or what have you. And another shot of the village with the trees and so on. They've grown well this summer. This is the base of the second signal box on the layout. Not finished yet, but I hope it gives a general idea. Taller than the other one. This is the longest coach I have. It's also the widest. And it's bogied coach, so I'm using it to test all the clearances on the new piece of the track, where the level crossing is and so on. So I've got about 1/4 of an inch clearance. Oh, that should do, I hope. And there you go, past the base of the new signal box, which I obviously haven't finished yet, but the base is there. It's a high level one, this. But it all seems to go quite smoothly, despite bits of grass and stuff on the track. And I can hardly see what's on the view screen because the sun is shining so brightly. It's better than it's been over all summer. I don't know about you folks, but we've had a dreadful summer here. Lots of rain and a few gales as well. Oh, there's the new signal box finished, complete. Hope it looks okay. And the halt to service the harbour and freight depot. And in case the quarry workers get jealous, I put a shelter there for them as well. jealous of them quarry workers. As you can see, I've decided to refurbish, repair the old greenhouse rather than buy a new shed. Simple really. New shed, £800 plus. Restoration costs for the greenhouse less than 200, and a lot of hard work. I hope it survives the winter okay. It survived Storm Bert, so keeping my fingers crossed. There's a tunnel into it. Everything fits through. So hopefully it'll be okay. Oh, that's a track going through the tunnel and into the greenhouse. It's only a short length of track, but it'll do. It's a squally, cold, rainy day outside, so I'm glad I've been working inside. Well, I'm getting a bit long in the tooth now, so I think I've finished with outside work for the winter. Toying with the idea of a steam river launch project to keep me occupied over the winter. We'll see how we get on. In the meantime, I think I've done quite well with the track so far. Oh, and the added advantage, of course, with resurrecting the greenhouse instead of putting a new shed there, apart from the money, is that I can enjoy fresh salad right from the ground in the spring, hopefully. My little railway might not be the best in the world, but it has been my salvation and escape from the loneliness and grief I've experienced since last February. I keep saying out loud, "Well, Rose, what do you think of it so far?" Stupid perhaps, but there you go. Anyway folks, I'll post when I've done something with the steamboats. Happy Christmas for now, even though it's a little bit early. I hope that wasn't meant to be a comment on my LCC garden layout slightly.